Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add additional content in customer invoice order email using WooCommerce setting in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it, and then you see email tab, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see email notification, and then you see email content type, and then you see recipients, and then scroll down, find here customer invoice order detail, and then you see manage button, so click on it. Again scroll down, you see subject, email adding subject, email adding, and then you see additional content. So if you want, you can add custom message according to your requirement in this section. So we are going to add additional content. Now you see we added custom message and then click on save changes. Now you see your setting has been saved. Now go to order section. So we are in edit order. Now scroll down. You see order section, drop down, select email invoice order detail to customer, select and then click on update. Now you see order updated and sent. Now go to email to check if we receive email or not. Now you see we receive invoice order email, and then you see all detail. Scroll down, you see custom message we added. You can add custom message in invoice order email by using WooCommerce setting. Scroll down, you see additional content, so you can add your message here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.